To another legal issue now, the Supreme Court has granted an injunction preventing the Integrity Commission from bringing illicit enrichment charges against Cabinet Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley pending the outcome of his application for judicial review. The court also granted Dr. Wheatley leave to challenge the Commission's findings and recommended that the matter be heard by a panel of 3 judges. The injunction was granted after the Integrity Commission declined the court's suggestion to give an undertaking not to lay charges before the judicial review is heard. The Commission alleges Dr. Wheatley has assets disproportionate to his income by $164 million. However, the minister rejects the allegation, arguing the Commission failed to account for the $168 million in rental income earned over a 10-year period.